Hi, boys and girls. We have been working really hard on adding multiples of 10 to a two-digit number. Today, we are going to be subtracting or taking away multiples of 10 from a two-digit number. Now, when I say multiples of 10, I'm just saying that we're taking away more than one 10. So we're going to practice today using our number pieces and our hundreds chart to look for those patterns that we see and be thinking about maybe we can even do some of this work using some mental math in our head because we really know our math facts really well. So we're going to start with 50 minus 30. So I'm going to count out 50 or 5 tens pieces. So count with me, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I'm taking away 30, so I'm not going to add any more. I'm going to show that I'm taking those away by crossing them out. So if we were in school and we actually had these pieces physically, we can kind of put them aside and hold them in our hands. But I want to show that we had 50 altogether and we're taking away 30. So I don't want to use my delete tool or erase. I still want to be able to see that there were 50 to begin with. So I know that 30 is 3 tens. So I'm going to cross out 3 of my tens and I'm going to count by tens just to make sure. Okay, so count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30. There's my 3 tens and here's what I have left. I have 2 tens left. Okay, so 50 minus 30 is 10, 20. Does anyone see or notice any patterns or what you might notice about the numbers in the tens place? If you think about what 5 minus 3 is. Hmm. Okay, let's look at our hundreds chart. Now we had the number 50 and we took away 30. Now, when we were using our hundreds chart a lot to add, and we were going down our number line, our number chart, but we learned last time that 10 less, we go up 1. So we're going to keep going up our number chart. Okay, so count with me. We're taking away 30, right? So 10, 20, 30. I'm at 20. 20. Okay, so we can use both tools to help us. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, we're going to try, let's try 60 minus 30. Okay, I'm going to count out 60 tens pieces, so 66 tens, counting by tens. Ready? Help me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And I'm going to take away 30 again. So I'm going to cross those 30 off. All right, so I'm going to say 10, 20, 30. And I have 3 tens or 30 left. 60 minus 30 is 30. Does this remind you of anything? Are you thinking of a double stacked? Me too. Okay. All right, and if we were to check our numbers chart, we were at 60, we took away 30, 10, 20, 30. So 60 minus 30 is 30. All right, let's try another. Good job, boys and girls. All right, we're going to try 50 minus 40. All right, we're going to count out 5 tens again. Ready? Count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And remember, when we're taking away, okay, this sign means to subtract. We take away. We don't add anymore. We can either cross them out. If we were in school, we would put them to the side. So I'm going to cross mine out today. So I'm going to cross out 40 or 4 tens because I know that 4 tens is the same as 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Ah, I have 1 10 left. 50 minus 40 equals 10. Anyone thinking of a fact that they know? 5 minus 4. I wonder if that will help us solving these problems using our mental math. Okay, let's try another one. Ready? We're going to try the 90 minus 20. Okay, now be thinking, if you know a math fact that might help you. But we're going to use our number pieces still to check our work. And you can always use the 100 chart to help you too. I like to see those number pieces because I like the counting by tens. That helps me to visualize and see those big numbers. So count with me. Ready? We're going to count 9 tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, I just want to make sure. And I should have 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 90 minus 20. So I'm going to cross off my 2 tens. I know that 2 tens is the same as 20. So I can say 10, 20. Oh, I have a lot more left than I have been having, huh? All right, so I have all of these tens left. I'm going to have to count them because just looking at them. And always just count just to be sure, okay? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens left. Okay, what number is the same as 7 tens? 70, you're right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 90 minus 20 equals 70. Okay, good job, boys and girls. That was a tricky one. Okay, we're going to do one more, and then you're going to be working on your own, okay? So we're going to try something today. All right, let's try 80 minus 60. Okay, so 80 minus 60. Now remember, we're thinking about math facts that we know that might help us solve these problems using our mental math. Okay, but we're going to use our number pieces always to double check our work. Okay, so I'm going to count out 80 or 8 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now I'm taking away. We're subtracting now, okay? All subtracting today. So 80 minus 60 equals. I'm going to take away 60 and I'm crossing them out to show that I'm taking them away. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I see two tens. I know that two tens is the same as 20. 10, 20. 80 minus 60 is 20. Boys and girls, good job today. This was really tricky. When you go off to work today, I want you to be thinking about some numbers. This is what you're going to be working on. I want you to think about what 70 minus 30 is, 50 minus 20, and 40 minus 30. If you think that you're ready for a bonus or a challenge, I have one here. 80 minus something. Now I gave you the answer, but you're missing something over here. So using what you know about the digit in the tens place, I'm challenging you to figure out what's missing over here. And I think some of you can work on that. But for today, you're going to work on this. You can either work here in the number pieces in this Math Learning Center app. You can work on scrap paper and write these equations in the private comment section on your Google Classroom. So you're working on definitely 3 equations today, and if you are up for the bonus, you can do the bonus too. Okay? All right, have fun learning, boys and girls. Good job.